Hello, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to download historical data from multiple exchanges, spot, and futures using Freqtrade. We'll start by listing all the exchanges supported by Freqtrade and identifying which pairs and timeframes can be downloaded for the exchange we need. Next, we'll download historical market data from the specified exchange for the specified timeframe. We will also download data from multiple exchanges. Finally, we'll download futures market data. Without further ado, let's get started. I've prepared data downloading commands and config files for this Freqtrade tutorial. You can download them from the link provided in the description below. First, open the terminal. Use the List Exchanges subcommand to view the exchanges available for Freqtrade. Here's the available list, which includes the exchange name, whether it's officially supported, and the supported markets. For instance, we can see that Binance is officially supported, and both the spot and futures markets are available. Next, let's proceed to a more specific exploration. We can use the command Freqtrade list pairs, exchange Binance, quote USDT. This command allows us to delve deeper into the specifics of the Binance exchange. It lists all the trading pairs that are available on Binance and are quoted in USDT. This is extremely useful for gaining a comprehensive overview of all USDT quoted pairs that we can trade on this platform. Upon running the command, you'll notice that there are 383 active trading pairs available that use USDT as the, quote, currency. This simply means that there are 383 different cryptocurrencies on the Binance exchange that can be traded directly with USDT. Moving forward, we will be using the command Freqtrade list timeframes, exchange Binance. This command is very useful as it provides us with an overview of all the timeframes that are available for trading on the Binance exchange. This is crucial information because different time frames can be used for different trading strategies. For example, a short-term trader might be interested in 15-minute or 1-hour time frames, while a long-term investor might be more interested in daily or weekly time frames. By running this command, we will be able to see all the time frames that Binance supports. Next, we'll begin downloading data. Start by creating a config file. In this case, we'll use config binance spot.json. In this file, define trading mode as spot and specify Binance as the exchange to use. Additionally, define pair whitelist for downloading data for BTC, ETH, and SOL. Once this is done, use Freqtrade download data for the download process. Use C to define the path of the config file. The time range is used to define the historical data we're going to download. And -T5M1Hs indicates that we're downloading data at both 5-minute and 1-hour intervals. Next, copy the command, open the terminal, and enter the command to download the data. Once the download is complete, you can find the data files in the data folder. If you don't see the data, try refreshing the folder. To check the details of our data, use the Freqtrade list data command. Use the -C option to specify which configuration you want to use, and the Show Time Range to view the time range information. Let's copy the command and enter it into the terminal. We now have 3 pairs, each with a 5-minute and 1-hour time frame. Each pair is of the spot type, has a specific time range, and a certain number of candles. In the future, to update our data, we simply need to use the same Freqtrade download data command. However, this time, we do not enter an end date for the time range, so it will download all the data up to the present. Once the download is complete, verify it using the Freqtrade list data command. Now you can confirm that all data are up to date. Currently, all the data we have is starting from April 1st, 2024. If we find ourselves in need of including data from earlier dates for the purpose of backtesting our strategies, we have the capability to do so. We can use the command Freqtrade download data and utilize the prepend option. This option allows us to define and add a previous time range to our existing data. By doing this, we will be able to extend our dataset backward, thus giving us a longer historical view for more comprehensive backtesting. Now you can see our data is from January 1st, 2024. It's important to ensure our data is consistent and without gaps for accurate backtesting. Next, if we want to download data from different exchanges, we just need to use other config files and define which exchange to use. For instance, we can create config files for Bybit and KuCoin exchanges. Let's take a look here. We just need to change the exchange name. To download, simply use the Freqtrade download command with these config files. Once the download process is complete, if you navigate to the Data folder, you will notice that there are two additional folders that have been created. These are named Bybit and KuCoin, respectively, corresponding to the exchanges from which we have downloaded the data. Next, we'll download futures data, which is essential for futures trading as it allows short trades and the use of leverage. To check which pair is available, use the following command: Freqtrade list pairs, exchange Binance, quote, USDT, trading mode futures. We can view all the available pairs on Binance. And note that we need to append USDT at the end. Finally, create a new configuration file for future trading. In this file, set the trading mode to futures and the margin mode to isolated. Also, specify the pairs you want to download. Once the file is prepared, use the command Freqtrade download data to download the data. After the download is complete, there is a new folder called Futures under the Binance folder. This folder contains the Binance Future historical data we've downloaded. These are useful commands for downloading data using Freqtrade. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Your support motivates me to create more content like this. See you in the next video. Until then, peace out.